1. Waking up before the world does, before the noise, before the scroll. That's when I meet myself, and I always show up. 2. Making my bed, not for tidiness, but for momentum. It's the first victory of the day. 3. Cold showers, discipline in under 60 seconds. If I can defeat comfort, I can overcome anything. 4. Daily walks without my phone. No distractions, just clarity. That's where my best ideas are born. 5. 1 hour of deep work. No tabs, no phone. Just focused, relentless productivity. 6. Lifting heavy, physically and mentally, because iron sharpens everything. 7. Drinking water like it's a superpower, because it is. 8. Reading 10 pages a day. It rewired how I think. My brain stopped craving chaos and started craving growth. 9. Journaling. Some entries are messy, some are deep, but every page is honest. 10. Keeping one promise to myself every day, even if it's small. That's how self-trust is rebuilt. 11. No screen time during the first hour of the day, protecting my mind before the world floods it. 12. Tracking how I spend my time, not for perfection, for awareness. Most people don't even know where their time disappears. 13. Saying no often, not to be rude, to remain dangerous. 14. Ending each day in silence, no music, no content, just me and the weight I carry. That's where the healing happens. 15. Moving daily, even when exhausted, because motion crushes stagnation. 16. Eating clean, not for for energy, focus, and battle readiness. 17. Keeping my space clean. Outer chaos creates inner chaos. I clean like my life depends on it, because sometimes it really does. 18. Writing down 3 wins every night, even if the only win was, I didn't quit today. 19. Speaking to myself with respect, because if I don't have my own back, who will? 20. Reminding myself every day, no one's coming to save me. I am the rescue plan. These 20 habits didn't change me overnight. They changed me slowly, painfully, permanently. It was never about motivation. It was about repetition, stacking small wins, building identity, evolving in silence, because the loudest transformations always happen quietly.